I'm Bella.
And I'm Helene, and we're your Costa Rican travel guides from brandedadventures.net.
Our job is to lead you through the beautiful tropical rainforest of Guanacaste, Costa Rica.
We are excited to inspire you to adventure through the rainforest by teaching you all about this magnificent biome.
From volcanoes to orchids to hot springs, the rainforest of Guanacaste is where it's at.
Welcome to my favorite hike in the rainforest. As I take you around, you'll be seeing a lot of interesting wildlife. Look, a sloth. Oh my, an orchid. Can you believe it? It's a howler monkey. Right next to a fern. Uh-oh, don't get stung by that poisonous dart frog on that bromeliad.
Welcome to Costa Rica. Here the locals speak Spanish.
Hola!
Hola! The currency here is also specific to the country. If you're visiting from the U.S., one of your U.S. dollars is about 624 Costa Rican colones. So keep that in mind when you're buying Imperial. When deciding which restaurants you're going to visit while you're here, be aware that no matter if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you'll probably be eating rice and beans. The national food of Costa Rica, casado, is even a concoction of spices with rice and a bean dish. When meeting locals, you will notice that people are typically very peaceful and friendly. Always use the greeting Pura Vida.
Each year, over 90,000 square miles of the forest are harvested for human use. This is the human influence on Costa Rica's biome. Tropical rainforests harbor 50% of the world's biodiversity. The massive deforestation of this forest has caused the total land mass to go about 15 million kilometers squared to about 8 million kilometers squared. This is nearly half. It is estimated that nearly 2% of the rainforest is lost annually. Furthermore, approximately around 137 species are lost in this biome per day, including both species of plants, animals, and insects.
So, in order to combat the effects of climate change, Costa Rica has worked very hard to make its country 98.53% renewable energy. The Lake Arenal was commissioned to be formed in order to power wind turbines and hydroelectric power sources nearby. Get excited!
On this trip, we're gonna go to a hot spring. We're gonna hike a volcano.
We're gonna go boating on Lake Arenal.
We're gonna go ziplining and surfing.
And finally, we're gonna go visit the famous Rio de Celeste waterfall. That's it from these travel guides.
We'll see you next time at brandedadventures.net.
Previous to booking your trip, keep in mind the dry season is mid-December to April. If you go during these months, you'll be able to avoid heavy rainfall on your excursion. And pack light. The average temperature is as high as 82 degrees Fahrenheit with an extremely high humidity index. And have a good trip. Woo!
Have fun!